Okay, something made me to draft this topic. That's not what I wanted to teach today, okay? And that's on the advantage of using VPN, which is virtual private network. Okay? So it's just that I wanted to visit some websites outside this country and I was restricted. Okay? So I decided let's talk about it, how I bypassed it and why you need this. As someone that has experience in cybersecurity. One of the advantages of using VPN is because it protects your network. In this part of the world, people think that whenever you see someone using VPN, it means that the person is a fraudster. Yes, that's the idea many people have in their mind. Many, not all persons. It's only those that are into tech that understand the benefits. Listen, there are a lot of cyber attacks going on every day globally. All right, and those attacks most times come when your IP address is known. Your network can be attacked. Your computer can be attacked with that. So, with the help of VPN, your real identity is not disclosed. Yes, your real IP address is not disclosed, which makes attackers, black hat hackers, which makes it difficult for them to attack your system. All right, so network protection is the number one advantage of using VPN. Number two is that it allows you to bypass some websites. Some websites are built in a way that nobody from outside that region can access it, or they are built in a way that people from certain regions are not allowed to get to the website. And because of that, once you visit with your phone or your computer, once your IP address is dictated to be from a particular country, example from Nigeria, it will be blocked. Okay, I opened another second channel. Let me give an example. I opened a second channel where I talk about insurance and tech as well. So I was making research on some life insurance companies in the United States. Google search engine showed me some of these websites, but it happened that when I clicked to get to the website to see the products they had, I was being blocked. I tried it more than 5 times. I was blocked. What caused that? Because they have already dictated my IP address as it's coming from Nigeria. And they don't want people from Nigeria to access the product they have on their website. What did I do? I went and installed a VPN, free one. What they call that? I think Tunnel Bear, yeah, is free to use. Maybe in time to come, I will make a video on that on how to use it. It's free of charge. So I activated this Tunnel Bear app, VPN app, and set my location to be United States. I tried the website again, and it went through. I was able to see the products, then to gather the information I need for my teaching. So it bypasses some regions, some websites when you use VPN for something good. It's not just for something bad. All right. So that's another advantage attached to this. Another one is that VPN can make you to stay safe on the web from attackers. Yes, because sometimes you may be accessing some website thinking you are free, you're safe, and you are not. So they can track some information about your system from there. So, but when you use VPN, it protects you. All right. So another one is protection advantage. And lastly, it protects your private information. There's some information about yourself or about your system that we wouldn't like people that you visit your website to know. So with the help of VPN, that's your private information gets protected. It doesn't leak. So these are the four basic advantages of VPN. There are still other advantages. All right. But in cybersecurity, we talk about safety. And that is what this offers to you first: network protection, system protection, so that your system don't get hacked or your network don't get attacked. And it allows you to bypass some websites, some regions. Okay. So, with this information, I believe I have been able to educate you today on the advantages of using VPN. All right, you have a lot. You can visit your Play Store or App Store, or if you are using Windows 11, there is one that comes pre-installed on it. So, Microsoft and other tech companies understand the importance of all these things, and that's why they put them in place before shipping some of their products, their computers down to the end users. So, if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Okay, here we offer a lot of tutorial on tech. All right, leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. You can watch this video here to learn more on tech and get more knowledge in the field of tech. Thank you and see you some other time.